As we see, I'm currently in Aweil North County, in Makem Payam, Majonga Kok Buma. 3 days ago, we received a report that there is an outbreak of milliphids in Payams of Aweil North County, which are Makem Payam, Lual North, and Lual West. And now people are expecting it moving toward Lual Center Payam. In history, there has been a recurrence of milliphids coming out, especially during rainy season. What it does, it eats the crops at their early stage, and now it eats the crops which include the dura, simsim, okra, and the rest of the crops that people cultivate. Currently, it is becoming a serious issue. The areas, especially where I'm in today, are areas which are for farming. You know, in Aweil, there are lowlands and highland areas. This is part of it, the highland area, where people from lowland sometimes they come to this side. Like recently, we had a report from the national government that there are going to be a lot of flooding this year. So what happened? People move toward this area. This is a vast area near River Kir, where people move in to come and cultivate. So people has been moving here all these years, and they even settled here. So now, when they started farming in 27th of May this year, the milliphids started immediately eating their crop. You can see behind me, these are some of the large farms that people have here. They are saying they have been repeatedly putting in crops, and then they are being eaten by the millipede. So they are saying they have cultivated 3 times. And now people have decided to be going back to areas where the millipede is not there. So I'm currently saying this is a serious issue for our people, because if they cannot manage, like the Boomer where I'm standing today, has about 300 households. If you multiply, you can find that there are a lot of people who are residing, particularly in the Boomer that I have visited today. I will urge our national government, especially the Minister of Agriculture, to look into this, because the serious thing is about the seed. When I interact with the farmers here, they are telling me they have nothing to do now, because all the seed they had, they have used the seed, and to the point where the seed are depleted. They have nothing now. They have no seed for them to be able to be putting the crops, the seed down, and then they are eaten by this millipede. So I'm urging our national government to look into this, because the way I'm seeing, it is not going to stop here in the 3 Payam that I've just mentioned before, because in production it produces rapidly, because every time they multiply, they increase in numbers, and that's why you see it covers a large area where people are farming. The villages which are around here are Rumanyer, Majonga Kok, Majangbol, Warchum, Waradot, Pogdel, Riang Adol, Yomdit, Wartok, Macharangor, and Marol Kwom. These are areas under Makem Payam, where I've just visited, because I wanted to come and see myself, so that I will be able to report to our state government to be able to know what is actually taking place. This area, some of the issues that I also found, the serious one is the issue about the water. When I move around, there's no borehole in all these areas that I've just mentioned. People have been using water from the well, and now it is very difficult, because this millipede is also moving toward where the water is, because it doesn't like sunlight. It needs a place which is cool. So it goes to where people are actually taking the water for drinking. So it is also a serious thing for our National Ministry of Water Resource to see if we can be able to provide clean drinking water for these families who are still staying here. Many of them has gone. They are migrated to other villages, and some remain behind because they are saying there is nowhere they can move to, and they don't know what will happen with their life after a few months when other people start eating from what they produce. And this area was actually to be agriculture farm, where food produced here, it is supplies to other areas, especially other payams and the towns like Aweil, Nyumlel, and the rest of the areas, Grounded and Simsim, are always transported from this area. And this is the area which is, as I mentioned before, some of these communities who are staying around this area, Majonga, Kok, Buma, do not have a clean drinking water. They drink from this pool. You can see this pool behind me. And this is actually where the mill fit. You can see now under all these trees, this is where they are hiding because of the sunshine. If the sun goes down later on, they will be going to the water. This is the pool. You can see one of them is moving around here. So it is very unfortunate that our people are in this situation where they are drinking from this pool, which is also where the mill fit is staying around. So it is actually unfortunate, but we hope as a government to see into that we can be able to do something to the people of this area. We also urge our partners, people who are supporting, to come in for the assistance of these families who have used their seeds for farming several times, and they are being eaten by the milkweed. Thank you.